Imagine a career where every day is an adventure, and your office is 30,000 feet above the ground. As an employee in the aviation industry, you're not just providing service, you're creating memorable experiences for travelers from around the world. At Excel Tourism Academy, we offer more than just education, we offer a passport to a rewarding career. Our programs are designed to provide you with the skills and confidence needed to soar in the aviation industry. Our unique approach combines practical training with fun learning activities, ensuring that you not only gain the necessary knowledge but also enjoy the journey. From emergency procedures to customer service excellence, we've got you covered. Don't just take our word for it. Hear it from our successful graduates who are now soaring high in their careers. They started right where you are and now enjoy the perks of an attractive salary ranging from 4,000 ringgit to 15,000 ringgit per month. Your success story begins here. Join Excel Tourism Academy and let us be the wings to your dreams. Ready to take off? Connect with us on social media for a sneak peek into Academy life and get in touch for more information.